How does Shopify work for beginners? Shopify works perfectly for beginners by providing a simple, step-by-step setup process that requires no technical skills. You can sign up, choose a store name, and start building your online shop using pre-designed themes and drag-and-drop tools. It's made for anyone who wants to start selling online quickly and professionally without needing to code or hire developers. Once your store is created, you can easily add products, set prices, and choose how you want to get paid. Shopify also helps you manage inventory, track orders, and connect with trusted shipping carriers, all from a single dashboard. Everything is centralized, making it easy for first-time sellers to handle every part of their business. Many beginners choose Shopify because it offers built-in support, tutorials, and automation that make e-commerce simple and stress-free. From small startups to growing brands, Shopify gives you all the tools to launch, manage, and scale your online store successfully. You can start using Shopify for free right now by clicking the link in description. It gives you instant access to beginner-friendly tools, ready-made store designs, and built-in automation that makes starting your online business easy and enjoyable.